Guys, look at this. My lovely, lovely pizza. Hey guys, today I'm making homemade pizza. And first thing, I'm gonna get this mix form into a dough. So I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna come back and show you everything else that I'm gonna do. So for now, let's go. And guys, I'm gonna use warm water to make this. Then I'm gonna set it aside for at least 45 minutes, yeah. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna put some Miss Brown style to this. So let's go. So guys, I'm making some barbecue pieces of chicken to go on my pizza. Now what I'm doing, I'm just seasoning it. Now I'm gonna add some ketchup to this. Just a bit tip of browning. And this is chicken breast. We all know chicken breast doesn't need a lot of time to cook, no matter what you're doing with it. You know, it's barbecue, so it has to be sweet. So you put some sugar. I'm just gonna get everything incorporated right now. My little barbecue pieces of chicken to put on that homemade pizza. Here I have a pot and it's heated, and I have already poured just a bit of olive oil, as you can see, just a bit, because it's barbecue, you don't really need no oil. So guys, this barbecue is different because it's just small pieces of chicken breast. That's why I'm doing it this way, because this is not going to take a lot of time to cook. So cooking really varies on what you're doing. You do it in different styles. Because say if I was just barbecuing some regular pieces of chicken or a whole chicken, I wouldn't do it this way. No way. But because it's just small pieces of breast that I'm putting on my pizza, I can just do it this way. Fast, fast, fast. And it's not going to take any time. I'm just going to give this maybe about 15 minutes to fully cooked. Yeah, chicken breast doesn't take any time to cook. Any time at all. So guys, I'll show you when this is done. Hey guys, here I have the pizza dough and I've added some sauce on it. And this is, this is sauce Miss Brown made. So sauce is not hard to make. You can just use a little ketchup, a little salt, a little sugar, and whatever you like in your sauce. Just make it your way. You know what I mean? What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put this in the oven to just, get a little bit, just eat a little bit. Because I don't like when I add this stuff to it right now and then it comes out so soft and juicy, which is nice, but I don't want it that way. I don't want it to be juicy, I just want it to be okay. So I'm just gonna put this in the oven. So I'm gonna let it heat up a little, let it get some nice crust, and this is all dried up a little, yeah. So guys, here's the barbecue chicken that I made earlier. I have some olives there, pineapples, I have some pepperoni, some cheese, and I have some bell peppers right there and red onions. First I'm gonna make the pepperoni one. I'm gonna sprinkle a little cheese, guys. Just a little. I'm gonna put the pepperoni, guys. Guys, I'm putting all of them because it's just one pepperoni pizza. Only one. I'm making sure all of them fits. What I'm gonna do next is, guys, I'm gonna put some more cheese over this. And guys, I'm gonna put some red onions here. And as always, guys, you can make it the way you want. Always remember, you can put whatever topping you like. Now I'm gonna add some green bell peppers to this. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she lovely? Made for you. So guys, tell me, how is this looking? I know it's beautiful and it's not even done as yet. I'm waiting for the finished product when it's back from the oven. That's what I'm looking forward to. And this one is actually done, guys. That's just about it. So guys, that's all. Okay, so guys, this one is a mix of barbecue and pineapples and a lot of other pretty things. So let's wait to see this one, guys. Just wait to see this one. Guys, remember the lovely barbecue that I've made? There it is. So guys, I have some olives and I have some. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some pineapples on this now. Guys, I'm gonna put some bell peppers on this now. This one is gonna be colorful and lovely. This one is colorful and lovely. Guys, this one is done. Guys, here's some crushed pepper. I'm sprinkling over this. It's a lovely garnish. And that is that, guys. Guys, this one is another one also. It's barbecue and pineapples with some olives. So guys, this time I'm using some cheddar cheese with this one. Yes, that's what I'm doing. And this kind of cheddar cheese is soft and easy to melt, so I didn't bother to put it in the bottom. I'm just gonna put it like this. So guys, I'm adding some pineapples to this. Guys, I've made so many homemade pizza. I really made a lot of them. Some I don't put on my channel, but I really made a lot of them. Different styles, because you can use whatever topping you like. Can we really use whatever? You can use just vegetables alone, cucumber, whatever you like. Anything you like. Still make it your own way and it come out nice the same. Guys, now I'm adding some olives to this. So guys, look at how beautiful this is. Now I'm gonna just put some parsley flakes. You know me and my style, I always use parsley flakes in my cooking. So that's it guys, that is it. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven. You'll see the final look. So here they goes. I'm gonna show you all 3 of them before they go in the oven. Look at that. Look at that guys. Look at that. 1 cheddar, we have 1 pepperoni, and we have a mix. So that's it guys. So guys, here's my lovely homemade pizza. As you can see, this one is cheddar cheese, this one is pepperoni, and this one is just barbecue chicken and pineapples. Guys, look how lovely these are. These are homemade, and they are lovely. I know you want to come over to Miss Brown. Just always remember to tell somebody about Miss Brown. Tell them what I'm doing over here. Tell them I always have something for them. So come on over and they'll get a lot of treats over here.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibe.